TheSupaFleeMarket Classicing Session.
We're gonna take this, turn it to this, and then turn it to this. Welcome to my channel. Please go and subscribe and like my last video too. We at 2K, and like this one too. So we're taping up the edges so we can make a border so the epoxy won't drip to the sides. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to make a mess. So I got the shower liner from Dollar Tree for like $125. I got something for you. Oh yeah, I had that. But anyway, that Epoxy Resin, I get it from Amazon. You see the prices right there. And this, do not get this. Do not get that from Walmart. It's like 4 colors for like $12.99. I got 36 colors for $13.99. But it doesn't come with black, but the other one does. It's like 72 colors. Anyway, that's the purple right there. The other one, this is brilliant blue, and the other color down there is apricot pink. So I pre-mixed the powders into these cups. What I did was I put some powder in the cups, then I sprayed it with some alcohol, mix it up a little bit. That way it'll dissolve quicker when I'm doing this right here, you know, putting the resin in there, and that way it's already like a liquid. You know what I'm saying? It's already dissolved. You see the white on the right? That's not white, that's silvery white, because it's like, I should have got the one with 72 colors. It comes with white and black, the colors that I've been looking for. But I use diamond dust and silvery white on this right here. And I made like some type of white, but it's still not, the white is not white and the black is not black in. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was trying to make a galaxy. That was, somebody requested a galaxy. I'm gonna tag them right here. But somebody requested a galaxy. They said, can you make a galaxy next? So I tried to make a galaxy, but that black wasn't black. Once I saw this right here, I was like, oh man, I have to switch it up. And I'm like, let me try to throw some diamond dust in here to make it look like stars or something, you know, like a little sparkle or whatever. Be careful with that diamond dust. You saw that? That dust is dangerous. Oh my God. If you inhale that right there, you might be in hell. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I mixed this up right here and then put everything on the floor. So I won't, you know, I got space. Anyway, just poured it up. And then I just started like, you know, I just spread it out. Just put no diddy. Even it out. Spread it all around. Level it out. See, now that it's low, leveled out, spread it out and everything, you know. Now I'm gonna grab the blue. And then I already know I'm not making a galaxy no more. I'm gonna have to switch it up. So I just started freestyling, you know. I just started doing whatever I wanted to do. Like man, let me just put some here. Oh, let me just throw some over here. Yeah, let me throw some right here. Oh yeah, let me connect these right here. And yeah, let me make a little check right here. Just do it like Nike. You know what I'm saying? I just did that, like whatever. Then I just followed, pour the purple up. I just pour the purple up. I followed the blue with the purple. That's all I did. And then I went crazy with the purple all over, like whatever. Then I got this pink that looks like red and just followed the purple that followed the blue. You know, with the pink that looks like red. I don't know, what the color do you see? Comment down below. Maybe I'm a little colorblind. Then just took the white, did the same thing. Just followed the red, that followed the purple, that followed the blue. And that's it. It might look a little crazy right now, but you're gonna see what it turns out to be. It's not gonna look like this. It might look like, what are you doing? I don't even know why I poured that over there. Just like with art, you can do whatever you want to. You can leave it like that if you want to. Maybe you like that. I don't, but you know, I'm just pouring a little more. I got the epoxy mix, and you know, I might as well use it. So I'm just keep pouring. See, I put white over there with blue. And this is what I start doing, blending, making little swivels, swirling, whatever, man. I'm just blending the colors together. Don't blend them too much, and then you're gonna make one color. You know, like when you're in school, like when you're like mixing these paints, like blue with red and this, and you make this and that color with like 3 colors, and you mix one color. That's what would happen if you mix too much. So be careful. Just blend. Like, don't mix. Just blend. Yeah, I like how that sounds. Just blend. Don't mix. Just blend. Anyway, I'm just blending in, just doing this and that, just doing whatever I feel like, like that's what you're supposed to do when you're doing something like this. Because I was supposed to do something else, so this now has like a different purpose. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm just trying to get it to like the edges, trying to get the color to like the edges, because some of the edges are like has like that gray, that black that's supposed to be black, but it's really like a gray. So just trying to get the colors down there to the edges, so I won't have my edge. Oh, you see this right here? Check out my last video so you can see how to do a dirty pour. So I put some of the colors that was left over into 1 cup. That's why you see like red, well, that pink and white. You see that pink and white is all in 1 cup. That's like a dirty pour. I just put that there. I should have put it on the left side where it's like real busy, because this is the less busy side. So I should have put it on the left side so I could just calm it down a little bit. But got my heat gun to pop the bubbles. The best thing to pop the bubbles is a torch. That would be the best thing, and it won't move your designs around. You know what I'm saying? Like with because it's blowing air, hot air, so it's moving it around. It's popping the bubbles, but you see how it's moving it around. It's moving the design around a little bit. So you want it to stay still. Best thing to do is just get a heat gun, torch. But I never use the torch, and when I do use it, I'm gonna practice outside. I'm not gonna do that inside. But check this out. We're gonna let the table chill. We're gonna let it chill for like an hour and a half, and then we're gonna remove the tape. When I remove this tape right here, you're gonna see, you see that edge right there is covered nice, and it's not dripping down. The epoxy is not dripping down because it's the perfect thickness. If you remove that tape too soon, then you might lose your design, because all that epoxy is just gonna start dripping down and dripping. And you're gonna wanna cover your edges right. Any spot you see that there's no epoxy, you wanna cover the edges and make sure there's epoxy all over that edge. And then on the bottom, you wanna like scrape it. Whatever's dripping down, you might see stuff dripping, like epoxy dripping. You wanna scrape that. Get a little stick, a craft stick, whatever you got, and just scrape your edges. That's what you want to do. But make sure you cover your edges. It's very important. If not, it's gonna look crazy.
24 hours later.
But anyway, this is what we got. Look at this. It's not a galaxy. It's kind of galaxy colors. I love it. You see how the design is like dripping down to the edges? Like, this is beautiful. Especially for something that was supposed to go wrong. This is why you should always believe in yourself and never give up. You should always keep trying no matter what the situation is. Guys, let me know what I should do next, what colors I should work with, and what design I should do. If you have any ideas, just comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.